Hi guys, I hope everyone is well. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about something that most people ask a lot. Can I get customers for my dropshipping business using organic social media marketing? Now, dropshipping a few years ago, the answer will be straight no, because there was no medium for you to actually be able to try organic social media marketing with. There was no medium. There was no Instagram Reels. There was no TikTok. There was no YouTube Shorts. Now, a lot has happened in the past 3 to 4 years. Things have changed a bit. Okay? So the answer is yes, you can, but it is rare, inconsistent, and unreliable. What to use for organic marketing? These are the things you can use for organic marketing today. Okay, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, right? But these things are not consistent. These platforms need you or want you to pay money to push your content out there more. We live in a capitalist world, regardless of what you think. It's a capitalist world. People want to get paid for the value they provide to you. These platforms, okay, make it possible for your advertisement, your business, your content to be shown to a lot of people, thousands, millions of people on their platforms. Okay? And there's a high chance that these people are going to take action in terms of coming to your website to purchase a product, or coming to your website to subscribe for your service, or messaging you through your social media pages or on WhatsApp and inquiring about your business offerings. Okay? So if that is the value they're providing to you, it is fair that you actually pay for the advertisement, for the ads, for the ad services that they are providing to you. Okay, now these mediums though, these mediums though are pushed out by the algorithm. So when you create an Instagram reel or content for Instagram reels, okay, the algorithm pushes your content out there. So you get some form of visibility, not as much or not as compared to paid advertising, but you get some form of visibility. More visibility than maybe you post a picture or video on your social media page. These mediums, for example, TikTok, when you create a content, there's a chance that it will go viral because the algorithm is going to keep referring it to more people if people are engaging with that content, that your TikTok content. Okay? Same thing with YouTube Shorts. It works exactly as TikTok. But the only difference is that it is on YouTube. Okay? So let me go show you. So this is Instagram. Now, this is our page on Instagram. Okay, when you go to Instagram Reels, for example, you're going to see a video. It's going to suggest a video to you. Now, the first one I can see is Happy First Day Spring. And this person is creating catchy content in, I believe, New York City. Okay, you can scroll right, you can scroll again. So, anytime I scroll, a video is suggested to me. A series of videos are suggested to me. I keep watching. Okay, and that is exactly how the Instagram works. It works just like TikTok. In fact, TikTok started this first before everybody else copied it. You know, before everybody else copied it. So as you can see, that's exactly how it flows. That's exactly how it flows, right? So, same thing with the YouTube Shorts, right? So that this is the only way I believe you can, use organic marketing to try and see if you can get customers. Okay, but it is not targeted. That means someone has to come across your content and just say, you know what, I like this. I'm gonna buy it now. I'm gonna use your service now. Okay, but the game is the more you need to continuously keep creating, as much as you can, as many as you can, shorts or TikTok or Reels, and hopefully, the more you create, the more people gets to see it, the more people gets to see it, and few people start buying. So if you want to use organic marketing, you have to be ready to do work. That means I'm talking about five, at least minimum, five contents every single day. So five Instagram reels, five TikToks, five YouTube shots posted on your platform, on your page every single day for you to be able to make use of organic marketing. Okay? In fact, if you can create 10, create 10. If you can create 20, create 20. The more you create, the more the algorithm pushes out your content to more people, the more people see it. So if 100 people are being shown your content, for example, on Instagram Reels every single day, right? When you create five a day, you're getting 500 views, 500 eyeballs on your content, on your products, on your ads, okay? Every single day. That's huge. So that is how you should think about it as. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. But it is rare, it is inconsistent, it is unreliable for you to get customers through organic social media marketing. It is better for you to pay money, no matter how small. Use money to get to know people. Use money to target your customers. That is the best advice I would give to you guys. But if you want to do organic social media marketing, then be ready to create multiple contents. Okay? That is it for today, guys.